Now, in the past 2 weeks, we had earnings from all of the railroads in the U.S. and in Canada, and it's not good, folks. Revenue is down double digits, and freight volumes are down across the board. And what that means is this economy is slowing, or at least in the third quarter. Now, maybe it's picking up now. Who knows? And as I've said before, the railroads are a great barometer of how the economy is doing. And right now, the economy is beginning to get sick. And those credit card fees and that debt from credit cards is ratcheting up. And it's just going to get worse as we go into the holidays, as more and more people just get behind on their bills. And come the first of the year, when those bills come in, it's not going to be good. Now, we had GDP numbers come out this week. And if you just look at those headlines, you would say this is the best economy ever. But more and more Americans are getting behind on their credit card bills, and those bills continue to build. And I'm afraid after the holidays, we're going to see a lot of Americans kicked out their homes, evicted, perhaps have their car repoed. And there's a very good likelihood you're going to see those personal bankruptcy courts start to fill up. And a lot of people are going to be denied those bankruptcy claims because laws have changed in the past 15 years. And it's not as easy to file bankruptcy as it was in the great financial crisis. And a lot of people, they're going to hit the streets. They're going to be ass out. And no matter what these GDP numbers are, we're seeing homelessness increase. We're seeing car repos increase, and inflation just continues to roar. So people are going to get even more behind. So this country's in big trouble, folks. Now precious metals actually did pretty good this week. Gold closed over $2,000 an ounce Friday. If you have money sitting around, I know a lot of people are putting money in CDs, those who have money, gold and silver, the actual physical metal, might be something to look at, because with all these geopolitical things happening, and it's going to continue, folks. This isn't something that's going to be over in 2 weeks. We're going to be talking about geopolitical problems in 2024 throughout this decade. And you're going to want to have gold and silver somewhere tucked under your mattress. Now, the stock market has taken it on the chin in the past 2 weeks. Now, 2 weeks ago, the Dow Jones Industrial Average had touched 34,000. And this week, we almost closed under 32,000. We're about 32,400. And we're at bear territory in many of these indexes. Many of these indexes are off 10% from their highs. Now, will these go lower? Hey, that's the $64 billion question. I don't know. But right now, the water looks pretty murky. And we're beginning to go into tax loss season. So you very well may see many of these smaller and mid-cap names that haven't done well in the market continue to sell off. And right now, there's nothing to look at. There's nothing to bark at and positively say that America's on the road to recovery. I think we're going in the opposite direction. Now, if you like this type of content, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.